In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable VAT in Zoho Books. Handling VAT can be a bit intricate, but with the right setup, your Zoho Books account can manage it quite seamlessly. So, let's get started on enabling VAT in your system. First, you need to locate the gear icon on your Zoho Books dashboard. It's positioned conveniently in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will open up a menu providing you with various administrative options. This gear icon is essentially your gateway to customizing your Zoho Books to meet the specific needs of your business. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, direct your attention to the Taxes and Compliance section. Here, you're going to select the option labeled VAT. This step takes you into the VAT settings page, which is where we'll be making the necessary adjustments to enable VAT for your business. On the VAT settings page, you'll notice a question that asks if your business is registered for VAT. You need to toggle this option to Yes. This tells Zoho Books that your business will be dealing with VAT, which means it'll start integrating VAT calculations into your financial processes. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your VAT registration number. This is a crucial piece of information as it identifies your business as a VAT-registered entity. Make sure to enter this number accurately to avoid any issues later on. If you're not sure where to find your VAT registration number, it's typically included in the documentation you received when you registered your business for VAT. If your business is involved in international trade, meaning you import or export goods or services, you'll need to check the box that says Enable Trade with Contacts Outside Your Country. This is an important step. It ensures that VAT is applied correctly to your transactions both domestically and internationally, keeping your trade compliant with international tax regulations. Following this, you must specify the date your business was registered for VAT. This date will be key for your VAT reports, as it determines the period from which VAT calculations and filings should commence. Enter the VAT registered on date carefully to ensure all transactions are recorded from the correct starting point. Lastly, don't forget to click the Save button. It might seem small, but this step locks in all the changes you've made and confirms that your settings are now active. Once saved, your Zoho Books is ready to handle VAT for all your business transactions. Everything is now set up, and you'll be able to manage VAT seamlessly moving forward. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've enabled VAT in Zoho Books, setting the stage for more accurate financial tracking and compliance with tax regulations. Thank you for joining, and be sure to check out more instructional guides to make the most out of your Zoho Books experience.